Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here coming at you with another great video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the serpentine belt. We're going to go step by step on the process to make it a lot easier for you. And if this video was helpful in any way, then hit that like and subscribe button. I'd surely appreciate it. All right then, let's get into it. All right, the first thing you want to do is get your filter air box out of the way. Just undo the locking clips on it and just push it up out of your way. All right, now you need to get a 3/8 ratchet and get it on the tensioner. We're going to be focusing on getting the belt off and putting it back on that pulley right there. This is a little bit of a better angle for you. I have already removed the fan clutch assembly. You do not have to remove it to remove the serpentine belt. It just makes it a lot easier if you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just giving an example of taking the tension off and being able to pull the belt off that one pulley there. But we're going to go ahead and show you how to get it all the way off. Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again, and thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it. Alright, now we got it off here. Pretty much cut and dry. Just taking my time to kind of show y'all, how it needs to be done. And voila, the belt is out of there. Here's the diagram. Go ahead and pause it so that way you know how to put the belt back on. Alright, let's go ahead and put the new belt back on. I'm going to start on the bottom, work your way around the pulleys. Obviously it's a lot easier because the fan is not on there, but it can be done with the fan being on there. You just have to fight it a little bit more from the top and the bottom. As you can see, I'm trying to run it all the way around to where it's just that one last pulley that I might have to slide it on. Right there, my thumb is holding it right where it's going to slide on. I'm going to go ahead and get my ratchet out, put it on the tensioner, go ahead and then loosen it up, and then it's just going to slide right on there. Congratulations, you now know how to replace the serpentine belt. Whoa, you're still watching? I must have done something amazing on this video. Well, if you haven't already, then go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd surely appreciate it. Well, that's a wrap on this one. Bobby B out. Till next time.